Hey guys, welcome to Data Studios. Today I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook account in this episode. So make sure that your ID has deactivated and you can reactivate your Facebook account in a few easy steps. So let's begin the video. First of all, you have to install Facebook app in your device and open the app, and here you need to log in that deactivate account, and here I'm going to paste and the password, and login. And here we can see the process has been done successfully and the ID has reactivated. If you guys like this video, then subscribe the channel and thumbs up the like button, and don't forget to share with your friends. Stay tuned and till then, bye.